Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. And guys, despite the construction, we are open and we are rolling. And today, we're standing on board a brand new 2026 Saxdor 320 GTO. If you didn't know, Saxdor is now importing these in Florida blue. Guys, the exterior color, check out the pictures. In fact, grab the link right here and check out the pictures. This boat is gorgeous. Part of that gorgeous, check out this tan interior. Guys, this is one of the things we really love on this boat. Flip seating to get underneath. This seating converts, table converts. You're gonna find that all over a Saxdor. You've got fold down sides on this boat. Both sides, heads up, you can fold both sides down. Makes it very, very wide, getting close to 15 feet. You've got a phenomenal second row. One of the things we like about these GTOs is the triple rows of seating. Makes it a very comfortable experience for a lot of friends. This seat, by the way, can move, give you better access to that table. But right now, I have it set up because I wanted to show off. This boat has a completely functional summer kitchen, and it really is a good one. Storage down below. You've got 3 cup holders on each side. They even give you a little cutting board, whether you're doing, garnishes for drinks or whatever the case may be, and a great Kenyan grill. If you haven't seen these before, you're sleeping, because they are on everything from our yachts to whalers and everything else in between. Phenomenal summer kitchen right behind the helm, and it has fridges in it as well. Guys, the helm on this boat is a wonderful, wonderful place to hang out. Folks have noted a little bit bigger seats than some of the smaller and other brands, a little bit bigger helm seats here, as well as just a really, really cool space to navigate this boat. One of the things I like, this is obviously a joystick boat, but this boat picks up that bow thruster. I've said it before in a video with one of my clients that you can, where most boats kind of when they're docking, they deal in feet, a Saxdor can deal in inches. This boat can be handled so precisely, it's remarkable. Twin 12-inch screens from Simrad. I've got to point out, these are their NSS Evo system. They're touchscreen and tactile. They're really, really good. This is all Mercury controls here, guys. This boat handles wonderfully. And of course, this is a cabin boat, air conditioning and more. But there's got to be some mystery for when you come by. We're MarineMax, Sarasota, Florida. I'm Jeremiah. If you guys want to see a Florida Blue Saxdor in person, it's here in Sarasota. Give us a call, ask for Jeremiah or any of our team here. We'll see you then.